my gosh.
I'm not wearing nude lipstick. Hey guys, so today we're going to do a Christmas look. When I think of Christmas, I think of eyeliner and bold lips. Yes, even for me, Christmas is bold lips. So today on Christmas Eve, I came up with a Christmas look with dramatic eyeliner that goes all the way to the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna show you a little trick on how you can make your eyes look bigger. On Twitter, I already posted a lot of eye of the days with this look on my eyes, but with nude lips. But since it's Christmas, dark red lips with high gloss. I'm filming at night actually because I just got home from IKEA with my mom and my stepdaughter. Ugh, no. Sister-in-law. They're back together. They're back together. We just went to IKEA and I got some new lights because I was so freaking done with the fact that I couldn't film at night. And now I can. I know I look a little bit bluish and whitish, but that's better than just dark, you know? So at least I can film at night, and I can film at night. So today we're going to do a eyeliner Christmas look with BH Cosmetics, and which is really funny because BH is Dutch for a bra. So basically, if you would translate this, this would say bra cosmetics. Earrings are from Untitled, as well as my Cobra. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is apply a base to your lids to prevent the eyes from creasing. I use this BH Cosmetics eye and lip primer, but let me tell you, it comes in the same container as the Michael Todd one, and I actually think it's almost the same product. I mean, this is a little bit more creamy, liquidy, and this is more so I already applied that to my eyelids and under my eyelids as well. And this tutorial, we're going to use the BH Cosmetics palette in number 3. And I'm going to show you. It comes like that. You see, what does it say? 120 colors palette eyeshadow BH Cosmetics. Then in the back you have all this fancy stuff, and it's number 3. And then you have and you have another layer, and we're going to use that one. The first color we're going to use is that one, so the lightest of the colorful side. So I'm going to grab a big brush like this, and I'm going to go into that lightest color that I just showed you, and this is going on to the lid, in the inner corner, and the brow bone. Okay, so now we're going to take the bottom layer, and we're going to take that color. So we have 1, 2, 3 up, and 1, 2, 3 in. I'm going to grab a blending brush like this, and this is the E25 from Sigma. And I'm going to grab the color and apply that into the crease. Now with the angle brush like this, go in the same color and just kind of open up your eyes. So you're going to look down and then make a line that is under your tear duct area. Like that. That is basically what you want for the trick to make your eyes open. And wing it up. Now you're going to make that bottom part really smudgy and smoky. Smoky wokey. This is the color we just used, and we're going to use that one. And smoke it down. and mix that color with the same color we used in the crease to make it darker. So I'm going into the black, which is all the way into the right bottom corner, and make it nice and black. Now in the inner corner, take a smaller angled brush like that and go in the same color that we used on the lid and the brow bone and put that on the inner corner right here. This will open up the eyes even more. Okay, what I'm going to do now is grab my MAC Black Track Fluid Line and a angled brush like this, and we're going to line our eyes. Start really closely to your eyelashes. Go all the way in. Take some more. Like that. You see how it follows it? And from that outer point of your eyeliner, go back in. And then because I want my eyeliner to be really nice and glossy, I'm going to grab my Illamasqua Precision ink and go over it. Now I'm going to take a nude eyeliner. This is Concealer Pencil by Makeup Studio. And again with my lighter, melt it a bit so it stays on your lid the entire day. And just align your waterline. Now it's time to curl your lashes and apply some mascara. So for lips, we're going for like the dark, but still bright red lips with red glitter on top. I'm just gonna grab my favorite lip brush, which is the 231 by MAC, and I'm gonna grab Chanel's Rouge Noir. That will be my base, so it's a really dark red. And on top of that, NYX Snow White. That's going on top. And then as a gloss, MAC's Dazzle Glass in Love Alert. First, I take some concealer to completely blank out my lips and make the colors on top pop. And I'm just going to take my brush and start off with Rouge Noir. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make my lips look a little bit fuller. So I'm actually going to follow that white line that you see. Actually, your lip is not the color, but it is that white line around it. So I'm just going to follow that white line around my lip and just follow the natural color of my bottom lip. So for my top lip, I'm going to follow the light stroke around it, and here just follow the color. Now I'm just going to grab some Rouge Noir and we're going to do our thing. I just align them, color them in, then put the brighter red on top and then the glitter and the like this, and I'll just color the entire thing in. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and make the edges really sharp and nice and highlighted. I love this. I'm going to put this bright red in the middle of my lip. And I'm going to grab my Love Alert lip gloss and put that on top. And that completes this Christmas eyeliner look with dark red glossy glittery lips. long title. Of course, you don't have to put the lipstick on that big on your upper lip. It's just that my upper lip is way more thin than my bottom lip, so I want to match it up a bit. The eye palette that we use today and the eye primer I got from BH Cosmetics is available at bhcosmetics.com. I will provide a link in the bottom bar as well as on my website. Also, if you really like my ring, which is a cobra biting my finger, like actually it's not a joke. You see? It's a ring. And there is a cobra, and the cobra is biting my finger. I got it from Eyeliner, and Eyeliner is the same web shop where I got Shaq, and that's my boyfriend necklace. Yeah, I will provide all the links that I use in my bottom bar and on my website, NikkieTutorials.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. How is your Christmas Eve so far? What are you doing this Christmas? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know what you guys are doing with Christmas. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you.